In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank in Gusto. To get started, sign in to your Gusto administrator account. Make sure you're using an admin profile since bank account settings are usually only available to users with the right permissions. Once you're logged in, head to the main home dashboard. This is where Gusto organizes your setup tasks and account activity, so it's the best place to begin. From the dashboard, look for the payroll setup timeline. In that section, you should find a task labeled Add Company Bank Account. This is the option Gusto uses to connect the business bank account that will be used for payroll and related transactions. When you see it, click. Continue next to that task to move forward. On the next screen, enter your bank information carefully. You'll need to provide the bank account number, the routing number, and the account type. Take your time here, because even a small typo can delay verification or cause problems later. It's a good idea to double-check each number before going to the next screen. After entering the information, review the bank details shown by Gusto. This step is important because it gives you a final chance to make sure everything is correct before submitting it. Confirm that the account and routing numbers match your bank information and that the correct account type is selected. Once everything looks right, save and submit the bank account information. At this point, Gusto may ask you to complete a bank verification process. Follow any verification steps that appear on the screen. Depending on your setup, this could involve confirming small test deposits or completing another standard verification method. Be sure to follow the instructions exactly as provided by Gusto so the process goes smoothly. After that, you'll need to wait for confirmation. Gusto will review and verify the bank account before it becomes fully approved for use. This can take a little time, so don't worry if it isn't active immediately. When verification is complete, go back to your payroll setup or your company settings and confirm that the bank account now appears as connected. That final check helps ensure everything was added successfully and your account is ready for payroll use. And that's how to add a bank in Gusto. Thanks for watching.